Yesterday, of course, the Category 5 storm make landfall. It merged back out over the water, made another landfall this morning in a very populated area of southeastern Cuba. Now it's weakening. It's probably down to a 2 now, which is better, and then it goes back out over the water again. Give it another 24 hours. It's completely gone.
Get stronger out? Does it get stronger again?
It's not going to get much stronger. No, it's far past its peak. Right. And, the thing with this is that the western side of Jamaica has been significantly destroyed in spots. We just don't know because the hardest hit spots they can't get to right now. So you know what I mean? Like you see some video that you're seeing is like the eastern side of the island, which was some damage, but okay. But the western side's completely different. So it's going to take some time to get some video and to know what's going on. So unfortunately, for those folks in Jamaica, the recovery process starts now. For us, you ready for a cool Halloween?
Yeah. I mean, the weather is going to change dramatically.
Dressing up? Dressing up?
No.
Are you?
Yeah, are you? Gosh, no. No. Stopped doing that about 10 years ago. 61 up in Crystal River. Okay, it was 20 years ago. 63 in Brooksville. 65 in Wesley Chapel. So nice numbers for us this morning. Most of us in the low to mid 60s, couple of upper 60s to near 70 right along the coast. Look at the cool air across I-10. Tallahassee at 56 this morning. So is Jacksonville. Yet I've got the low to mid 70s, West Palm to Miami, upper 70s for Marathon and Key West. The humidity levels right now kind of sitting with the moderate humidity in Central Florida. High humidity in South Florida, much drier air across I-10. And yes, that will be headed our way. We need a little kick, though, to bring this drier air in, and that kick is going to be our cold front. And that cold front comes through this evening, 6 to 9 p.m. in that particular range. And then when you wake up tomorrow morning, watch the difference. 40s and 50s. Look at that drier air settling in for Thursday morning. What? You want drier? Okay, how about Friday morning then? With dew points in the 40s for everybody. So tremendous amount of dry air coming in over the next 2 or 3 days. There's Melissa. Here's the cold front, and I wanted to show you the big picture because this front and accompanying trough along the East Coast in general are what helped to kick this off to the north and the east. Notice there's not a lot of rain associated with this front. So as it comes through this evening, right after the sun goes down, there'll be a line of clouds and the tiniest little chance of a shower. No big deal. But then behind the front, the winds start whipping in out of the northwest. Tomorrow will be a very windy day, a much cooler and drier day as well. Losing its core, that's what you kind of want. You start to see there goes the eye of Melissa, and just in general, you see the storm weakening now that it's sitting over land. It will move back out over the Atlantic again. 115-mile-per-hour winds. That was as of 5 o'clock. I'll bet it's a lot weaker since that particular advisory. And then once it emerges back out over, we'll have hurricane-force winds in the Turks and Caicos and the southeastern Bahamas. And then it races off to the northeast, and then Melissa is gone. Highs today, about 80 degrees. Got some cloud cover this morning, some sunshine, maybe an evening shower. But again, you're talking about a 20% chance of a quick little line of rain moving through. 74 for a high tomorrow. Halloween, the high of 73. Trick-or-treaters will be in the 60s, and then eventually 50s. Oh, look at the ghosts going across the screen. You missed them. You missed them. There they are again. We got mid-70s for Saturday, back up to around 80 for Sunday.